For manufacturers and regulated industries, an FDA audit isn't just a formality. It's a deep, methodical look at how your quality system holds up under pressure. And whether you pass or fail often comes down to one thing: how prepared you were before the inspector ever walked in. It usually starts with a knock. Sometimes you get a heads up, sometimes you don't. The FDA can conduct announced or unannounced inspections, and both are equally valid. If it's for cause, triggered by a complaint, a recall, an adverse event, expect zero warning. Once the investigator arrives, they'll present Form 482. That's your official notice of inspection. And the moment they hand it over, the clock starts. Next, the opening meeting. Your team, usually led by your quality manager, gives a brief overview of your facility and your quality system. Keep it simple. Don't over-explain. The investigator wants facts, not a sales pitch. Then the real work begins. The investigator walks your facility and starts requesting documentation: your device master record, your design history file, complaint files, CAPA records, training documentation, and more. Here's where most companies get tripped up. It's rarely that they don't have the records. It's that they can't produce them fast enough, or the records don't match what's actually happening on the floor. The investigator is looking for consistency. Do your procedures match your practices? Are your CAPAs closed with evidence, not just paperwork? Is your training current? Every gap is a potential finding. Expect direct questions to your staff too. An investigator might ask an operator to walk through a process from memory. That tests whether your training actually works or whether it's just a binder on a shelf. Audits can run anywhere from a few days to over a week, depending on scope and depending on what the investigator finds along the way. When the inspection wraps up, you'll get a closing meeting. This is where the investigator shares what they found. If there are issues, you'll receive a Form 483 listing each observation in order of severity. Getting a 483 doesn't mean you failed. It means you have work to do and a clock to do it in. You'll typically have 15 business days to submit a written response. That response needs root cause analysis, corrective action, and a realistic timeline. Vague promises don't cut it. The FDA wants specifics. After reviewing your response, the FDA classifies the inspection into one of three categories: no action indicated, no significant issues found; voluntary action indicated. Issues were found, but they don't warrant formal action as long as you address them; and official action indicated, the one nobody wants. This can mean warning letters, import bans, even consent decrees, depending on severity. So what separates the companies that sail through an audit from the ones that end up in trouble? It almost always comes down to preparation, and whether your quality system lives in real time or only gets updated right before someone walks through the door. This is exactly where a modern EQMS makes the difference. Instead of scrambling to pull records from 5 different systems, everything lives in one connected platform. Your CAPAs, training records, document control, and anything else. Fully traceable and instantly retrievable. When an investigator asks for evidence, you're not digging through file cabinets, you're pulling it up in seconds. That's the real value of running your quality system on a platform like QT9 QMS. It's not about passing an audit. It's about running a quality system so solid the audit becomes a formality instead of a fire drill. Still need help? QT9 is here for you. If you'd like to learn more about how quality management software can help streamline your processes, visit QT9software.com for additional resources and guidance.